Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can delete your TikTok account. So all you have to do is go to your TikTok profile and tap on the three lines on the upper right. Go to settings and privacy. And then tap on account. And once you're here, as you can see at the bottom, it says deactivate or delete account. Just tap on that. And here you would have the option to either deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. So take note that if you deactivate your account, it says here no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it. Reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. So basically, you're just deactivating your account and you can anytime reactivate it. But if you want to get rid of your TikTok account permanently, you can just choose delete account permanently. It says here your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So if you chose this, all you have to do is not access your TikTok account within 30 days. And after that time has passed, then you have successfully deleted your account permanently. Well, I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.